Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we will learn chapter number 18, price rise and consumer awareness. This is very interesting chapter student. Price rise means inflation. Okay, why does inflation occurs? In this chapter we are going to study about the reasons of price rise, why price should be controlled and steps taken by the government to control the price rise. So price rise, continuous and constant rise in the price in the different fields of the economy at a high rate is called price rise, which is a problem. But price rise along with the stability is beneficial for economy. Increase in price result in increasing profit of organizers and producer. And for the producer, they will earn a maximum profit. But for the consumer, if the price increasing continuously, the real income goes down. Income of the consumer goes down and purchasing capacity decreases. So here students, I am going to teach you the important question that frequently asked in the section D, reasons for of price rise. Why price that continuously rising? So reasons of price rise. So here there are total 8 reasons given to you. The students, at least 5 or 6 you have to learn it. Mainly 2 factors are responsible for price rise. Due to lack of instantaneous increase in the production and the supply of the commodity and service in the economy, students, wherever the commodities are less in the market, supply is less in the market, scarcity is created. What do you mean by scarcity, students? Scarcity means the goods that available in the market are less in a quantities. Clear? The goods are less in a quantity in the market, that considered as the scarcity. Whenever the supply is less and demand is more, obviously the price going to be rise. Due to sharp increase in the total demand of the country as compared to supply, continuous price rise is seen. Second reason is that whenever consumer's income increases, when person's income increases, whatever price of the product, that person going to purchase it. So now students, I am going to teach you the reason of price rise. Increase in the monetary supply means money supply. Okay, the money supply increase in the market, the price is continuously rising. Supply of the money in the economy increases in 3 ways. By filling the deficit replacement, by generating new money. For example, government revenue is less and government expenditures are more. So that's considered a deficit. Okay. Increase in the circulation of money, increase in the transaction of money in the market. And third one, to decrease the rate of interest on the debt. When there is an increase in the money, whenever money increases, income of the people increases. Income of the people increasing, their purchasing power increases. Their purchasing power increases, demand of the commodity increases. And supply that remain less. So the price rise. In order to fulfill unplanned expenditure, government increases supply of money by generating new economy through deficit replacement policy. Means whenever government expenditures are more as compared to the revenue, government increases new money by deficit replacement policy. Increase in the administrative expenses of the government, unplanned expenditure, defense expenditure, and increase in the expenditure of different welfare schemes, fairs, expenditure, celebration, public or private expenditure lead to sudden increase in the supply of the money in the market. That increase the purchasing power of the people and result in the increase in the price level. So increase in the purchasing power become the reasons of the price rise. Whenever government is doing expenditure or fairs and everything, so money supply increases. No increase is there in the total production and supply of the commodities. On one side the income increases and the second side supply that not increases. So due to the unplanned expenses of the government, but due to the increase in the salary, allowance, supply of money increases in the hands of the people. Along with it, resource of the production start getting more value. So it income increases, leading to cumulative increase in supply of the money. Once people income increases, they will demand more and more commodities. As a result of purchasing power increases and total demand of the commodity increases, but supply may not increase. So this leads to price rise. Thus, price rise is a result as well as reason for increasing supply of money. The bank reduces the rate of interest on the credit as well as the increase in the reserve cash, which helps it to give loan. Whenever the bank reduces the interest, people will take more loan as compared to earlier. Credit at low rate of interest and mild conditions, which results in increase in supply of money in the hands of the people, which creates pressure on demand of commodities, substantially cause the price rise. Second reason, students population growth. Students, you know that very well. Population increases at the rate of 1.9% in India. Total population of India 121 crore in 2011. Because of the speedy increase in the population of country in 2001, an imbalanced condition in demand and supply was created, which lead to the shortage of supply, leading to the price rise. Whenever population is more, demand is more, as compared to that supply is less. So that population growth rate is the reason for the increase in the price rise. Now, increase in export. Because of increase in demand of Indian goods in the foreign market, government has encouraged increase in export. As a result, which availability of commodity decreases in the local market. The goods which are exported in the foreign market, that created shortage in the local market, and that shortage lead to price rise. Availability of the raw material at the high cost. Raw material, for example, cotton is the raw material of cotton cloth. Clear? Sugarcane is the raw material of sugar. Shortage of raw material leads to increase in the production cost. So the price of the commodity increases. On the other hand, consumer of produced goods are same workers or common people. The demand for the increase in the salary when it is satisfied, so there is again increase in the production cost resulting to price rise. This is the cycle of price rise, keeps on going on. Clear? Now, uses of non-registered currency means a black money. Okay, people are not paying the tax. They want to hide the tax. So that is called black money. And black money they are using, okay, without using their mind, and whatever the price charge of that commodity, they will pay it. In order to save tax, many economical dealing are not mentioned in the accounting book. Many people hide their taxes. Thus, such income is not mentioned in the accounting book and tax is not paid on it. So that is called unregistered money, and that unregistered money is called black money, students. Because of fear of being caught for paying income tax or service tax, rather than storing money, people try to use it as early as possible and purchase unwanted things, and that leads to price rise. Sometimes government also increases price. How? The government increases support prices of petroleum products, chemical fertilizers, support price of agriculture crops by the way of administrative orders, because of which supply of money increases due to steps taken by the government to fill the debt, as a result of which the price rise. Thus government only gives birth to price rise. Natural factors, natural calamities, earthquake, rainfall, drought, epidemic. Human factors like war, riots, movements, strikes, industrial unrest, lockouts, adverse effects that seen in the supply. That because of natural factors, man-made factors, supply decreases. And decrease in supply when the quantity of money remains stable result in a price rise. Now, smuggling, hoarding and black marketing. Students, you have heard this. What do you mean by smuggling? Many times due to high import duty rates as well as control on import and restriction on exports with the intention of duty evasion. Evasion मतलब छुपाना. Secretly without paying taxes, foreign goods are dumped in the country that considered as smuggling. Illegal trading. Due to the speculation and rumors and prediction that price rise in the future. Suppose a commodity like onion and sugar, the sugar seller and onion seller, they think that the price will increase in the future. So they keep that all the commodity as a stock. All the section of society, businessman, producer, consumer get involved in hoarding in more or less quantity. As a result of this, the pressure on supply of that commodity is created and artificial scarcity arises. So by increasing the price of the commodity, to increase their profit margin, the producer take undue advantage of the people that considering as profiteering. Thus, by the evil activities by hoarding, black marketing, profiteering, scarcity of the commodities created in the market, this factor responsible for the price rise. Student, this is very important question. Reasons of price rise. Out of 8, any 6 you have to learn.